Hello students, hope all of you are doing great. Stay home, stay safe, please take care. So today, let us study some of the basic features of Windows Basics, okay, which are common in every Windows operating system. I mean in all the versions of operating system. Okay, so as you can see, this is a screen, right? This is a screen and the picture or the wallpaper that you are seeing, that is called the desktop, right? That is called the desktop. And this desktop area is used for doing the activity, okay, which serves like the actual work area. So any activity or work that is done by the Windows is executed on this area called desktop. So this is called the desktop, right? This is called the desktop. This whole screen, this rectangular screen, this is called the desktop. Okay, this whole screen is called the desktop. So this desktop can be used to view a file, folder or a program also. It acts as an object holder for icons. These are icons. These are icons. Okay, these are icons, gadgets and any other applications. It also includes taskbar. So let us see what are there. Okay, what are there. So this as I told, this rectangle screen, this whole everything is called the is called the desktop, right? So now let us see some other components also. So this at the bottom you can see this line, this one, see where my cursor is moving, this line is called the taskbar. So this taskbar is the horizontal bar. Horizontal means left to right, okay? So this part of the desktop is called the taskbar, okay? And it has four parts. This taskbar has four parts. Let us see what are they. The first one is the start button. This is start. You can see when I'm taking the mouse pointer over here, the name is displaying. This is called the start. Okay, this is called the start button. After that, so the start button is actually a pop-up menu that contains a list of recently used programs. Okay, so all the installed programs are grouped in this all programs. So if you click on the start button, a menu gets displayed on the screen, that is called start menu. So if you click on the start button, you will get to see a menu which is called the start menu. So this is called the start menu. Okay, after start button there comes another part, that is middle section. So from here, after start button, the part which you can see up to here, almost here, this part is called the middle section. So this middle section consists of all the programs, okay, all the programs that are currently open or they have been pinned to it. Okay, so this is our middle section. You can see some of the pictures over here. So these programs, okay, these pictures are opened, so all these are displaying on the middle section. Okay, so whatever items or whatever applications you open, all the things get displayed in the middle section of the taskbar. Okay, so after start button, the part is called the middle section, almost up to here. Then after middle section there comes notification area. This part is called notification area. Okay, this part is called notification area. So this notification area, it contains clock also. It has clock and calendar. Okay, and it also notify the status of certain settings. Okay, it has some certain settings also. So this part is called notification area. After notification area, at the corner there is another part called show desktop. Okay, this part is called show desktop. Okay, so clicking on this button will clicking on this button will minimize all the open windows and it will display the desktop, which is also called arrow peak feature. So for example, let's see, if I click here, see, so this application was opened, so when I clicked, it got opened. Okay, So now I am closing it. Okay, so this is the feature of show desktop. Okay, this is the feature of show desktop. So you can see now there is no any MS Word screen. Okay, so this is all about different components of Windows.